Eerstens, he's fucking sick. Seek professional help. En away. Who the fuck maak 'n perd? Sad.
Today's the perfect day for a fuck up. I'm fucking up all day today. This is fuck up weather. That's what this is.
When I pull up to the club, say, ain't not. Yeah, the bass in the subs like, ain't not. I got these from the plug like, ain't not.
Who's next? Knockout.
It's a knockout shot.
Afgeneem.
Ja.
Oké, posting is.
Dazing out in public, but your mama made me snap out. Before I get the dough, got the morning routine. Wake up bright and early to some brand new cream. Floss 3 times, baby.
You better give me some fucking.
Cause I ain't the one. Gone.
Girl, I wanna hear you whisper it.
Ek het om dit te vergelyk met my hondjie hier buite se tollie, om te kyk of julle sin 'n bietjie groter is as die een hier buite. Maar dit was nie. Dit was
I took a shit. Oh yeah. I took a shit.
Maak vir my A. Maak A.
I took a shit. Oh yeah.
Toodaloo, motherfucker. Hey,
Gentlemen. Hey. What the fuck? Huh? What the fuck? What is going on here? Huh?
jy is die fucking dompoes wat my so fucking opwerk vir niks.
Ja, as jy nog een keer vir my sê ek is 'n poes, nê.
Jy is 'n groot poes.
Ek gaan nou fuck off. Ek gaan nou
I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright. Baby, I'ma have the best fucking night of my life. And wherever it takes me, I'm down for the ride. Baby, don't you know I'm good, yeah, I'm feeling alright.
My friends be like, how come you not famous yet? I be like, you didn't share my shit. How come you ain't shared it yet?
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. All the way up. Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll me. I ain't the sharpest. Wait, hold up. Nah, I still don't give a fuck.